Hey guys, I showed you Soy Cowboy already. I walked with you up Silom and showed you Patpong. And today I will walk with you around the block of Soi Nana. There is some life coming to Soi Nana. Hillary Bar 2 opened. As restaurant only, but it opened again. So life is slowly coming back. There is hope at the horizon. So now I will take my face mask and then we can go.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nen
And Odin. We are here at the corner of Sukhumvit Soi 8 and Nana BTS station. We are standing exactly where I started to record my first YouTube video on October 6 last year, 2020. But this time we will not walk into Soi 8. Instead, we will walk up Sukhumvit to Sukhumvit Soi Nana, which is also called Sukhumvit Soi 4. Some massage girls waiting for customers. Besides Soi Cowboy and Patpong, Nana Plaza is one of the 3 most concentrated red light areas in Bangkok. All these places attract primarily tourists. My personal opinion is that Soi Cowboy and Nana, as well as the bars and restaurants around here, bring high value to this area. The expensive condos around here are mostly rented or bought by foreigners. And the girls working around here convinced many guys to invest here, work here and stay. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this subject. I personally know a few men who support their girlfriends and send money regularly. It would be interesting to know how much money Thailand gets donated this way every year. Please give us your like. This is Landmark Hotel, a 5-star hotel which profits a lot from its location. Nana Plaza is literally wall to wall with Landmark in the back. And no, there is no connection at the back. Here we pass Nana Post Office. You might remember from an earlier video. No, there is no beach around. Girls that forgot their uniform can buy it here. We reached the intersection of Sukhumvit and Soi Nana. And this is the start of Soi Nana. Nana Plaza is a 3-story commercial building built in the late 1970s. Originally, it was built as a shopping center with restaurants and shops. The plaza's U-shaped building is roughly a square, with a single opening on the west side. It consists of a ground floor and 2 additional floors, arranged around a courtyard. Nana Plaza describes itself as the world's largest adult playground. You can comment below. By the mid-1980s, around 20 go-go bars had opened in the 3-level court, following or being followed by the expansion of tourist hotels in the area. After the land was inherited in 2012 by 7 sisters who wanted to have nothing to do with the red light area, Nana Plaza was sold for a rumored $25 million. The Panthera Group renovated the complex and became the landlord, providing management and security. As of July 2019, Nana Plaza housed 30 bars and 3 short-time hotels. My personal estimate is that there are more than 2,000 people working in Nana Plaza alone, which makes the bars a significant employer as well as a magnet, drawing lots of business into Bangkok as well as into the hotels around this area. One of my favorite places in Soi Nana are the Hillary Bars 1 and 2. They both feature live music showing 3 bands each night, and those bands are outstanding. I'm happy to see that Hillary Bar 2 reopened again, even they just opened as a restaurant. This means things are getting better. Hillary 1 is still closed, but I made a video about Hillary 1. Across the street are free food handouts, showing us that people still suffer a lot. To stay in touch, please subscribe. Now we will walk into Sukhumvit Soi 6 and continue to walk through Crown Hotel into Sukhumvit Soi 8 to complete our circle. Also, in these back streets you will find bars, restaurants and massage parlors. I made my first YouTube video about a condo in Sukhumvit Soi 6. I will leave a link to all the videos I talked about in the description below. You will also find Google Map links there. Here, for example, on the grounds of the Crown Hotel, you will find the entrance to Kasalong BJ Bar. Crossing into Soi 8, you will find the Argo Bar and Grill. And opposite is the Lolita BJ Bar. Soi 8 offers a lot of fine dining. My favorites are the Monsoon restaurant, the Viva restaurant, and the Vesuvio restaurant. There are also well-known pubs like the Kiwi, an Australian sports pub. And with this, we complete our circle. Thank you for watching our video. Please click like, comment, and to stay in touch, subscribe. Click the bell to get notified of our next upload. Just click a thumbnail to stay with Thailand lifestyle. Yes, click now.